When purchasing a made-to-order fire feature from Lumacast, you may be sure of the model and size you want, but the color choice may still be up in the air for you. That's okay. That is what our TBD option is for. Here's how it works. Imagine being in a coffee shop and not knowing what you want. You look up at the menu and can't decide. But instead of having to let people go in front of you, creating a longer wait time for you, you can keep your place in line. And during this wait time, in the Lumacast production queue, you get up to 4 complimentary samples sent to you to help you make your color decision. You still keep your place in line, allowing up to 10 days in this reserved queue. And when you finalize your color choice, just contact us with your decision and it'll be made to your color specification. And that is how our TBD option works. We're looking forward to starting your journey with Lumacast. The fire feature experience refined.